Hi all, how are you? Myself Kegi Singh. I'm Google certified trainer and innovator as well. In the same sequence of Google Sheets, uh, I have brought one function that is VLOOKUP along with the array formula. So this is amazing when you want to search something within the sheet. VLOOKUP, I think, is the appropriate function. And if you want to if you want to extend your formula, then we must use array formula. So to extend the formula, I'll use array formula, as we have already discussed about array formula, and in this video I'll also tell you how to use array formula along with the VLOOKUP. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. Over here, if you see, there's a list of the result sheet of these students, and I want to pick out the percentage of some selected students. So this is the percentage column, and I want to uh, pick out or filter out the percentage of some selected students. So here, these are the students. I'll just fill this sheet with color, the header row with color, and making this white as usual. And what I want to fetch the percentage of all these students from this sheet. So the best way is to use VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP will uh, look into uh, the sheet or the source which I'm going to share. So there is a formula that which key you want to select. I want to select the student name. I want to search the student name in the entire sheet and select it, which student. So these are the students I want to search into the sheet, and their percentage I want to filter out and print it in another sheet, that is the selected student sheet. So on this sheet, I want to filter out the percentage of all these students from the result sheet. So how to use this? So the best way is to use VLOOKUP. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP here. So see, the first I'll have to type equal sign. This is the equal sign, and then I'll apply VLOOKUP formula. So VLOOKUP, and it asks for the key. So I want to search these keys. So I'm selecting the key. So these are the keys I want to search, comma. Where you want to search? Where you want to search? What is the resource? So my resource is this sheet. So I'm going to select all those, the complete area of this sheet, including the percentage, comma, which index you want to fetch. So index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Any number 10. And for the match, I'll give 0 here. So as soon as I close the parenthesis and press the enter, I'll get the value of this person. So see here, if I look into this person's percentage here, so this is your 79.53. So here also this is 79.5, correct. And I want to now I want to copy this. what will I do? I will do array formula. I will use array formula. Array formula, simple array formula, Vlookup, and here I'll close the parenthesis and simply press enter. So this way I can fetch the data of these students from the resource sheet. So this is my resource sheet, and from this resource sheet, using VLOOKUP, I have fetched the percentage of all the students from that sheet. So how interesting is this? So you apply, experience it, and let me know what happens. So we'll see another example using VLOOKUP, and the next will be VLOOKUP and if. So hope you like this video and like this demonstration, and if you liked it, kindly share and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification as and when the new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.